Hello and welcome. This is Alexander the Great. I'm here today to show you a little bit of an introduction to the Mako Minno. This little one here is the smallest of the Mako brothers and sisters. Okay, so today we take the Mako Minno. I want to show you the battery options for the Mako Minno. We have the mini pipe battery 14250 or the CR2 15270. Both these batteries 3.6 volts, okay? But you will notice that there is a big size difference. So I will show you how to use both of these in the Mako Minno. First of all, we screw off the head cap, okay? You can see there's no atomizer fitting in here. So what we do is we'll start with the 901 fitting. This is the little brass fitting here, okay? We just screw it on, that's all. You can do it by hand, or you can even tighten slightly with pliers if you like. First we'll start with the little garter. Okay, that's already screwed on tight. Now what will happen is if you carry on screwing, sometimes this will happen with the 901 and 801 fitting. So be aware of this. It's not bad. Sometimes it can help with a small battery. But just so you know, and that is why I recommend tightening with pliers if necessary. Otherwise you can just hold it like this and tighten is fine, okay? So we'll start with the CR2 3.6, right? There we are, little. Okay, with the card. It's locked. I don't know if this battery is charged, but yes, you can hear it. I will take a puff. Very nice. Right, so now I will quickly show you with the mini pipe battery. This smaller one here. So you can see it's much further down there. Okay. So there are two ways with the 901 and 801 fittings of using the mini pipe battery. You will see when you press there is no gap. This means no contact is being made. So one option is you just screw this a little more, yes, and there we go. You can hear it now? Yes. Or so what this has done is it has screwed this in a little bit. But if you don't want to do that, then you can also remove these little O-rings here. So I put the little nail there, go along the edge like this, and then using your other thumb you just roll it off like this. That's one O-ring off. Screw it back on. It makes the Mako even smaller than before. Same again, you just take a little bit of nail, you can see it's coming up a little there, and then when it does, like this, and you just take it off. It's a little difficult behind the camera, sorry, making a meal of this. Let me screw this back on like this. There we go. You can hear it's working. So So this is the dual function of the O-rings. You can use them for making different size batteries. If the battery is too short, you can take off one or both O-rings. But with the CR2 and the mini pipe battery, it's designed perfectly to work with 2 O-rings for the CR2 or no O-rings for mini pipe battery. Or as I showed you, if you want to keep the O-rings in with a 901 and 801 fitting, you can just screw the atomizer fitting a little. Okay. I will quickly show you the 901. Sorry, it's difficult behind this camera. I'm not used to this. I think we have that. It's the Mako Minno. Okay. So this is the 901 and KR808. I can show you quickly. One other option, which is the 501, which works differently, you see. So you screw it from the top. 901 and 801 work exactly the same. Again, with this one, you can hand tighten like this. To unscrew, put your thumb and finger there, unscrew or screw up. It's best not to over tighten this also. .510 ATI. Here it's firing. Lock. This is with the mini pipe battery. CR2. We have to put the O-ring on. Quick way to put the O-ring. Just unscrew slightly. Put that like that. And again, just put it over here like this. There we go. Okay. If you have a battery that doesn't seem to want to fit in the Minno, all you can do is you can buy a thicker O-ring. So this is, each one is 1.5 millimeter. So if your battery is 1 millimeter longer than the CR2, then you could maybe use 2 millimeter O-rings. That will add 0.5 on each side, which will make it bigger. So O-rings can be used for many things. Very important. So there we go. 510. Okay. Anyway, that's the Mako Minno for you. I will now do some more videos for the MIDI and the Maxi. Thank you for watching.